required to play. Here's how to fix it. How to fix: you must be signed in to a profile to play Destiny 2. For console users, PS4, PS5, Xbox One Live, sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged in to your PlayStation Network or Xbox Live account. If not, go to your console's login screen and sign in. 2. Check network connection. Go to your console's network settings. Run a connection test to ensure internet is working properly. 3. Restart your console. Fully shut down the console, not just sleep mode. Turn it back on and try launching Destiny 2 again. 4. Clear cache. Power cycle. Turn off your console. Unplug the power cord for 30 seconds. Plug back in and restart. 5. Check for updates. Ensure both your console system software and Destiny 2 are fully updated. For PC users, Steam, Epic, Xbox app, Microsoft Store. 1. Sign in to the correct platform account. Ensure you're signed in to the correct Steam, Epic/Xbox account where Destiny 2 is owned. Log out and back in if needed. 2. Verify game files. For Steam, library, right-click Destiny 2, properties, installed files, verify integrity. For Epic Games, library, click 3 dots under Destiny 2, manage, verify files. 3. Run Destiny 2 as administrator. Right-click Destiny 2 shortcut, run as administrator. 4. Disable overlays or conflicting apps. Disable overlays, Steam, Discord, GeForce Experience. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Test only. Extra tips. If you're using cross-save or linked accounts, Steam, Bungie.net, double-check /w.bungie.net 7 cross-save cross7n/cross-save. Visit Bungie's official help page /help.bungie.net.